Most flagships settle for 3 decks. The Azimut Grande 44M builds a 4th, and it changes everything above the waterline. This is the flagship of the Azimut fleet. Built by Azimut in Italy, launched at Viareggio. Exterior lines by Alberto Mancini, interior by Milan's M2 Atelier. More than half the vessel is carbon fiber, a lighter, stiffer hull at 430 gross tons. This flagship is engineered around efficiency, hull-vane foil technology, paired with that carbon construction, cuts carbon dioxide by up to 30% against traditional naval architecture of the same size. A hybrid system lets her anchor with the generators fully off, silent, emission-free, for hours at a time. 143 feet overall, a 28-foot beam, 430 gross tons across 4 full decks. It is that 4th deck that rewrites the layout. The wheelhouse moves up to the 4th deck. That frees the entire upper deck into a private owner's sanctuary. Customizable terraces for a gym, dining, or a lounge with open sea views forward and astern. 30 square meters of solar panels sit above, and the aft mezzanine carries a glass-bottomed pool, viewable from the beach club below. Inside, M2 Atelier delivers a full custom experience. A transformable 4-deck lounge, diagonal walls, transparent panels in the owner's suite. Bottom line, the Grande 44M is a low-emission flagship that trades nothing on scale, light, or space. It makes its world premiere at the 2026 Cannes Yachting Festival. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.